friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our fourth question. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So length in mm, they are given that 118, that is approximately 11 centimeter to 12 centimeters. Number of leaves, how many are there? 3 are there. Then 127, they are given that 135. After that, this is in the format of inclusive class intervals. We have to convert this into exclusive class intervals. How it is we are going to take the difference of to this one, then 0.5 we are going to subtract. Why? Because here 126 and 127, only one is the difference. So in that of we will take it as subtraction. So based on that, it is gained. Once I find the median length of the leaves. Hint, the data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median, since the formula assumes continuous classes. The classes then changes into 117.5 and 116.5. How it's came, I am going to explain. So 118 to 126, then again 127 to 135. So what is the difference between these two, 126 and 127? So 127 minus 126, we will get it over 1. So 1 we are going to take off of in that. Then 0.5 we will get. So from this value, we are going to take it as minus 0.5 and 126 plus 0.5. So for lower limit, we are going to subtract, and upper limit we are going to add it. So for this, what we will get it as 117.5 to 126.5. So like this, it's came. So this is the values. This one is the what you can say, these are the continuous classes. Let's going to take it, this one are the, so let's find it, what are the things. So length in mm, what is that? 118 to 126, again 127 to, what is the difference? That is 135. So if you take calculated, h is nothing but 9. The difference between 127 and 118 is 9. Then 136 to 144. Then 145 to 153, then 154 to 162, then 163 to what you can say 171, again 172 to 180. So these are the values. Let's go into continuous classes intervals. As I told here, 117.5 to 126.5. So if you subtract 0.5 from this, we will get it as values. So here 126.52. So if you subtract from this 135.5. Then here 135.5 to 144.5. So here 144.5 to 153.5. So here 153.5 to 162.5. Then 162.5 to 171.5. Then 171.5 to 180.5. So how many number of leaves are there? So we have to take it the number of leaves, as we know they are given that 3, 5, 9, again 12 for this, again 5, then 4, 2. So we have to find the cumulative frequencies. How to find the less than cumulative frequencies means we are going to add it. So write 3 as it is, then 3 plus 5 we are going to add to 8. 3 plus 5 will be 8, then 8 plus 9. So 8 will be added to this one, then 17. Then what is the next one? 29. 17 plus 12 we will get it as 29. Then 29 plus 5 we will get it as 34. 34 plus 4 we will get it as 38. Then 38 plus 2 we will get 40. So this is the thing. So what you can say here, n is what? The number of observations. So n is nothing but 40. So this value is number of frequencies. So n is equals to, what is that? So n is equals to 40. Then n by 2 will be equal to 20. That is 40 by 2, then that is 20. So 40 by 2 is 20. So what is the 20 value here there? So let's going to take it 20 as. So where is the 20 here is? Let's find it. The 20 will be, it's the 17 less than 20 less than 29. As I told, we have to go for the higher value if they are not given in the variables, either x or y. Then if it is a given as 17 plus x, 29 plus x, x may be anything, then we have to go for 17 plus x values. But here numeric value they are given means we have to go for the higher value. So that is median class. So let's find out. 29 is the, what you can say, 29 is the median class. So for this, what you can say here is the median class will be 144, 5, 0.52. Then this is the frequency. This is frequency, and 17 is the cumulative frequency. So this is the value, and median class cumulative frequency is 29. So because based on this we are calculated. So let's find out what is this values here. So let's going to take these values as it is, and we're going to write it. So what is the H value? The H value is nothing but 127 minus 118. So 118, what you will get? 9. So let's move on to this and write the values. So median value, median class is nothing but 144. So 144.5 to 153.5. So what is the lower boundary of the median class? That is, lower boundary is nothing but 144.5. The number of observations, as we know, that is n will be 40. Then cumulative frequency is equals to 17. Then frequency of the median class is 12. Then H class size will be, you can take it as 127 lower boundaries. First class intervals 118. We will get 9. So H is equals to 9. Let's going to substitute the formula base. That one is 28th observation. Let's going to substitute the values here. So what is the formula here? The median formula is, median will be equal to, what is that? Median will be equal to small l plus n by 2 minus cf whole divided by f into h. F into h. Let's substitute the values here. So small l is equals to what? 144.5 plus n by 2 is nothing but 20 minus cf is 17 whole divided by f is what? 12 into h is equals to 9. So 3 3s are, then 3 4s are. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3. So 3 into 3 by 4. So that is 144.5 plus 9 by 4. So 4 ones are, we can going to cancel this one. 4 ones are, then 4 twos are 8. 1 will be remain point. Then again 10 we will get, again 4 twos are, then 2, 4 fives are 20. So that is 144.5 plus 2.25. So what we will get is here. So 146.75 mm. So this is the median length of the leaf. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.